Good morning to everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about assignment problem, traveling salesman problem, 0 or 1 knapsack problem under branch and bound condition. So in the previous module also we have discussed about traveling salesman problem as well as 0 or 1 knapsack problem. So in this video, in this module also we are going to discuss about all those things. So before discussing in detail about traveling salesman as well as 0 or 1 knapsack problem, we will discuss about assignment problem. Assignment problem in the sense we have to assign certain jobs for multiple worker, then from them we have to choose the minimum amount of time which the worker has taken to complete a task. So for that purpose we are using branch and bound algorithm. The main objective of this algorithm is to identify an optimal solution for an optimization problem, whereas the problem can be either a discrete or a combinatorial problem. The main applications of this branch and bound function role is objective is it can be used in either any sort of traversing method, that is either we can go with DFS or we can go with BFS. And the thing is the main objective is we have to find out an optimization problem for an optimization solution for an optimization problem. It's mainly applicable for discrete combinatorial problem. Here, in order to find out the solution, that is an optimal solution for a problem, we have three different types of nodes. First node is live node, then E node. E node means extended node, and last one is dead node. Live node is a node where it doesn't have any children. When we construct a tree, the last leaf node will be called as a children, whereas the live node is a node which doesn't have any children. Doesn't have means in future it might have a children, but at present when we creating a node, at that time it may not have any child node. That is called as live node. E node, that is extended node, means this is a live node, it will explore the children. So when we create an E node, after creation of E node it may have some child node, that is called as E node. Last node is dead node. Dead node doesn't have any child node, that is called as dead node. So this is the concept of branch and bound. Next, let us discuss about traveling salesman problem. Traveling salesman problem objective is a person can start its work early morning in his house, then he will sell the product in and around the city. At last he will reach the original at his house only. So starting place at his house, traveling through all over the city, then at the evening he will reach his house. So when we plot it in a graph, it will form like a cycle. So whenever we are discussing about traveling salesman problem, it must have a cycle. Here in this case, a person whenever he start to sell his goods in and around the city, he should not visit any place more than one time. Best real life example I can say, paper distributor. Early morning he will start his work from his house, keep on distributing the paper in and around the city of the houses, but the person will not visit the same house more than one time on a single day. So at last, after distributing all the paper, he will return back to his house. So starting position and end position is the same. In this case, a person need not have to travel on the same path how the person has chosen on the previous day. So first day he will choose one path, second day he will choose another path, because the main objective is he has to identify an optimal cost to travel, that is the shortest route. He has to choose the shortest route to reach the destination. So according to that he will choose a path, then he will start the travel. Next problem is assignment problem. That is, as I said before, we have to assign multiple jobs to multiple worker. Our objective is at last the workers need to produce maximum effort to produce to give an optimal solution. That is, maximum effort means they have to work hard. In the real life example, they have to work hard, they have to produce the better result. That is, which means that a person has to work only little amount of time, then he has to produce maximum profit. That is the main objective of assignment problem. That is, if I am doing any work, I have to do the work with minimum amount of time, but it has to give maximum profit. That is the concept of assignment problem. Then 0 or 1 knapsack problem is also, if I have so many products, 0 or 1 means if I take the product, then it will be considered as 1. If I am not assuming that product, it will be considered as 0. So the best example is, if I am going to sell 1 kilogram of apple, 1 kilogram of banana, 1 kilogram of orange. So I have a bag. My bag capacity is only 2 kilogram, but I have 3 kilogram of fruits. So in this case, first I can take certain kilogram, that is, I can take apple or orange or banana. Likewise, either or choice, that is, either I can choose apple or I can choose banana or I can choose orange. In another way, either I can choose I cannot choose all those things at a time together. So any one of 2 fruits I can put it on the bag, then I can sell in the market. I cannot take all those things together from one place to another place for sales. So if I take apple as well as banana, then apple will take value 1, banana will take 1, orange will take value 0. Instead, if I take orange and banana, then apple will take 0, orange will take 1, banana will take 1. This is the concept of 0 or 1 knapsack problem. LCBB means least cost, low cost or least cost branch and bound. Then before branch and bound. So least cost branch and bound means the selection method. That is, as I said before, whenever we are talking about E node, it will have some child node. This mechanism is used for selecting the child node, which node we have to choose and where we have to insert, either in the left child or in the right child. That will be decided by a common factor that is called as C. It will be represented as C, that is an approximation cost function. C of x will be computed by g of x plus h of x, where x is the E node from the root. That is C value will be computed by cost of reaching the current node, comma, x E node from the root plus cost of reaching an answer node from the x. So this is, by using this formula, we will choose which node we have to pick up from the data set and where we have to insert. FIFO FB means this is a branch and bound in BFS, breadth first search. In this, child node of E are inserted in a queue. That is, there are 2 types of function associated with this. One is insertion, another one is deletion. Least means remove the head of the queue. Add means inserting an element onto the queue. So these are the basic operations and the basic things which are available under the topic of branch and bound. So in branch and bound, we have discussed about assignment problem, knapsack problem, 0 or 1 knapsack problem, then traveling salesman problem. So this is all about branch and bound. The remaining things I will post it on the next video. Thank you.